So, Xiaomi just dropped a bombshell on the home entertainment world. An AI-powered TV that's smarter than your average tech gadget. And let me tell you, this thing is packed with features that might just make you toss your old TV out the window. First up, it's got jaw-dropping picture quality, vibrant colors, insane clarity, and sound so immersive you'll feel like you're in the movie. Plus, it's designed, sleek, minimalist, total eye candy for your living room. But here's where the magic happens: AI. This TV analyzes your binge-watching habits into rom-coms, science fiction, cooking shows. It's got your back with creepily accurate content recommendations. And forget digging through menus, just talk to it. Play Stranger Things, and boom, you're there. Oh, and did I mention? While other brands charge an arm and a leg, Xiaomi is serving these premium features at a wallet-friendly price. Yup, top-tier tech without breaking the bank. So, is Xiaomi's AI TV the future of home entertainment? It sure looks like it. Smarter, cheaper, better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button for more tech drops.